Hi guys, welcome back to SoftAsia Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can add frosted glass effect into your Elementor page. You can see I have this frosted glass color and over this I have this content, image, title, the description and social media icons. In the background you can see I have also added mouse scroll effect. So to add it, let's go to your Elementor page builder and I will show you how to create it from scratch. So here is my Elementor page. So first of all I will create a new section. I will click on this plus button and add a new column. Now first of all I will go to section settings and I will change the height to fit to screen. Now I will change the width to 500. Now I will go to style and in background I will add an image. So in classic, click on image. Here I will select this image from my media library and click on insert media. Now first of all I will change its position to center left and its size to cover. Now I will go to this section settings and in style first of all I will add column background. So I will go to its settings and I will change its color to this gray one like that. Now I will go to border and I will give it 10 pixel border radius. Now I will add image in it, so I will drag image widget into column. I'll select image from my media library, scroll down, I will select this image and click on insert media. Now I will change the image width to thumbnail and align it to the right side. Now I will go to style and I will change its width to 22% and I will add 100 pixel of border radius. Now I will go to my menus and I will add a heading. I will add the name. I will add Alyssa Taylor. Now I will duplicate this title and I will change HTML tag to H5. Now I will add designation Chief Executive Officer and now I will align it to the right side. Now under it I will add social icons. So I will search for social icons in widgets and I will drag this widget in. Here I have these social media icons. I will go to style and change its official color to custom color. Their primary color I will make it transparent and the secondary color I will make it black. Now in size I will add 15 pixels and in content I will align to the right side. Now I will go to column settings and in advanced I will add 25 pixels of padding. Now I will go to style and I will change the opacity of this color. So I will change the opacity like this. Now I am done with that, but you can see I don't have any mouse scroll effect. So for this I will go to this section settings. Here I have added this background image, so I will go to this mouse effects and mouse track. I will enable it. Now you can make its direction to opposite or direct. For direct it will move with your cursor and for opposite it will move opposite to your cursor. You can change the speed, like if I make it 5.9 it will appear like that, but default is perfect like 1. It will work like that. Now I am done with that, so I will update the page. After updating I will preview the changes, so I will click on this I button. Now here you can see I have this image, title, designation and the social media icons. That's how you can add frosted glass effect into your Elementor page builder. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like this video and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching.